Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the fuse guys for the ignition switch is located, you may have two fuses that you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain that, we'll explain where to buy cheap fuses, relays from, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered today, make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage, we're taking things apart as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here now guys, we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. This is the one that we'll be demonstrating on. For the ignition switch, the fuses will need to be checked. You have 2 different fuse boxes, one is under the hood, and if you open it, it will look like that. You can see how you can have really Ford specific guys, hard to find fuses, relays that could be hard to find, expensive, impossible to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping for your convenience. We'll need to find the second fuse box that's located inside your F-150 in the footwell. On the passenger side, you remove that kick panel, that plastic there on the side, and you will open a fuse box that will look just like that. That's what it will look like guys. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse guys that we'll need to check for the ignition switch first will be fuse number 18, but fuse number 18 is together with fuse number 17. We're talking about that double fuse right here. It's actually 2 fuses in one, really special fuse guys. Then you need to find another fuse which is known as fuse number 34, that 30M fuse right here. These 2 fuses, 18 and 34, will need to be checked right here guys. So check them out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.